everyone, Rizza Lana Sebastian here, CEO of LANA PH, and we are so excited to show you the changes we did to your LANA PH Holy Grails. It's the same amazing products you love, but so much better. We have been working on this for months and we really invested on this. I tell you, it's super worth it. Let's start with the bottles. As you can see, we now went with a very sleek, cozy, and minimal design. My favorite is the bamboo accent of the bottle, which is so pretty, sustainably sourced, and recyclable. I mean, look at these babies! Sobrang ganda niya talaga! Lahat na rin pump bottles, so mas madali na siyang gamitin and it's more sanitary compared to the droppers we used to have na prone to contamination. The sunblock pump bottle in particular can now be twisted para malock mo siya at malagay mo sa bag. We made sure na leak-free na lahat ng mga bottles. Sabi niyo rin that you love the DNA Repair Elixir so much that we should offer bigger bottles. Your wish is our command. You can now choose between 40 and 20 ml bottles. It's now more than twice the size of our previous bottles. What an upgrade! Super dali na rin matanggal ng stickers so you can recycle as you wish. I reuse mine as a soap, alcohol, or essential oil dispenser. There you have it! Thanks again so much for sending your reviews, comments, and suggestions. We really take this seriously and discuss them in management meetings. We did these changes for you because you matter.